Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you where is the Oppo Service Center. The Oppo Service Center in Dagupan City. So you see behind me is the Asada Center. So this is on AB Fernandez. That is the AB Fernandez right there, and then we're gonna enter the Asada. Okay guys, so let's go inside now. So we have the new Mrs. G right here, and then we're gonna go way down. Okay, so we're passing the Angel's Pizza here, the famous Angel's Pizza. Very good value for your money. So here is the Oppo. Okay guys, any issue you have with your Oppo devices, it's right here.